Hello everyone, welcome back to the Render YouTube channel. I'm Jim and today we're going to walk through the setup of the exhaust module. The exhaust module is designed to be used in conjunction with a shop-style vacuum or your pre-existing filtration extraction system. One thing to note is the Optic must have constant suction on it to pull the laser-generated air contaminants out of the upper body. To use the Optic's exhaust module, you'll need to remove the integrated filtration cartridge from your Optic. Once the filter is removed from the Optic, inspect the inside of the upper body where the filter was installed to make sure that there are no obstructions or debris. Verify that the gasket is fully seated on the exhaust module body and there is no damage to the exhaust module. Insert the exhaust module similarly to installing a filter into the upper body. With the exhaust module inserted, make sure there is not a large gap between the end cap and the end of the upper body. With the exhaust module inserted into the body, we'll now assemble the remainder of the kit. The next piece to install is the exhaust module adapter. This goes into the exhaust module with the quarter turn and clicks into place with ball detents. The hose comes with a 90-degree adapter pre-installed on it. This adapter gets pressed into the exhaust module adapter. This should be a snug fit to keep the exhaust from leaking into your workspace. The next thing we're going to look at is the clamp. The clamp comes pre-assembled and is in a folded position when shipped. To unfold it, loosen the clamp wing nut, rotate the bolt perpendicular to the clamp body. The bottom side of the clamp body has a textured piece of rubber on it to hold it to the table and prevent scratches on your table surface. The clamp can be installed on the front or back of your table depending on your setup. Place the clamp on the edge of the table in line with the vacuum hose now installed in the Optic. Tighten the wing nut snug but not overly tight. With the clamp in place, we'll now move the Optic upper body to the side of the table opposite the clamp. Lift the hose up off the table surface about 2 inches and push the hose into the clamp. Then move the Optic upper body through the full range of motion by hand to make sure the exhaust module is not binding. The hose will provide more resistance and will possibly make the upper body not stay in position closest to the clamp. But this will be overcome by the stepper motors when powered on. The last thing we need to do is connect the exhaust module system to the shop-style vacuum cleaner. To do this, we have included a hose adapter in the kit which can be used to connect to your vacuum. When this is installed into the suction side of the vacuum, you can now use your vacuum hose in the exhaust port to place it outside of your workspace. If you are venting outside, you'll need to review your local laws and ordinances to make sure you're not in violation. Another consideration is the wind. You'll want to place this hose in a manner that does not allow the laser-generated exhaust to be blown back into your workspace. With this completed, you're now ready to start your projects. But before jumping straight into a project, you'll want to run a test piece to see if the exhaust system changes your settings for the project. The exhaust module can remove generated smoke more efficiently than a used integrated filter, which may make your settings change. Thank you for going on this journey with us today. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at hello@render.com and we'll be happy to assist.